Hello, my friends. Happy Sunday. This is my Walgreens haul, and today is the 22nd of May, and everything worked out really well today at Walgreens. This was like a $5 money maker, and I'm not going to complain about that, and 100% digital deals, so hopefully you enjoy them. One thing I want to touch on real quickly, I live in like rural Upper Michigan, and there was a really bad tornado that went through the Otsego, Gaylord area. A lot of people were reaching out because I always say I live super rural, but I'm okay. And I just want to say I don't dox my location, but every when you get up to this rural area, like every city is about an hour and 20-minute drive. That wasn't my community, as you could see from the backyard. We didn't even lose a branch from the storm, but my heart does go out to the families. My husband and I have been traveling to that area and working with the Red Cross and the church to provide everything from their list that they needed and to donate to help out the families who have been displaced. And we're going to be bringing up like a whole bunch of travel-sized items today and more stuff. And my husband just keeps going up there to help out because I have such a large stockpile that I'm able to do this. But I just want to say I am okay. It didn't hit our area. And hi to my mom too if she's watching. But I appreciate everybody who reached out. And when you have a really large stockpile, you can really give big during the time of crisis. And we were able to do it. And my husband, who really doesn't understand my couponing journey, he doesn't like it or get it. It's always amazing that when he's dealing with like the Red Cross or donating it to a food pantry or something like that, their reaction when they see 50 to 100 tubes of toothpaste, it's a different story. But I just wanted to let you know, for everyone who reached out, I'm perfectly fine. And we are busy helping out right now. Back to the video at hand, let's talk about this booster. I did a basket that was like a $5 money maker or something like that. If you wish to emulate the basket, go for it because it might be really fantastic. If you don't have this booster, maybe do the deals separately or however it would balance the best with the Walgreens cash. Because we're using this, we cannot use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and we're using specifically this booster. I didn't have a paper booster to pair with, just to note that. Let's go through the basket. The first item that we grabbed was 2 of these Max Fresh toothpastes by Colgate. They are $2.99, and when you purchase 2, you're going to get back a $3 register reward. Here's the tag. So pretty easy, and the 2 Colgate deals are on different promotions, thus you can do them in the same basket if you're doing like me, where you're spending $20 to get that $5. Here this is the more expensive one for $3.99, and get $4 of Walgreens cash when you purchase the 2, so it's right there. Now the digital coupons that we got this morning include a 3 off a 2 and a 4 off a 2. So these 2 digitals, load them right away. Now we have some free Garnier Fructis this morning. I grabbed these 2, and I don't know if they were the cents that were not attaching with the digital coupon or what the heck was going on, but I grabbed these 2. And as you can see, 2 for $7, and that $4 register reward is in fact a store register reward. My digital coupon for this did not come off, just to note that, and this is the $3 one, so I do not know what I did wrong. However, there is a way around this, and I will show you that in a quick second. Okay, so going through my little list here, 2 of the Garnier Fructis, that's $7 on the nose. 2 of the Colgate Max is $5.98. 2 of the Colgate Optic is $7.98 for a grand total of $20.96. Now I did have my booster loaded, which is $5 back when you spend $20. And my digital coupons that came off include a 3 off a 2 for the Garnier, a 3 off a 2 for the Max, and a 4 off a 2 for the Colgate. That's $10 of coupons. So I paid $13.96, but it'll wash out here in a second. But anyhow, if all the digitals, if you get a better shampoo than you're going to pay $10.96 with your debit card. Get back $9 in Walgreens cash, 4 for Colgate, and 5 for the booster, and then $7 in register rewards. I'll show you them here in a quick second. It makes this free plus a $5.04 money maker. And let's not forget, because you're using that booster, to not use any store register rewards or any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. That is imperative. Now the register rewards earned, these are the little printouts I have. The 4 back for the Garnier Fructis, that is a store coupon if you look at the top. And then the 3 when you buy 2 of the Colgate products, there it is. Now, as I was saying to you guys, this digital coupon did not come off, but if you go on the coupons.com app, there's a way that you can get $3 back when you buy 2 with the coupons.com app. So I applied for that and I got my $3 back. If you might have issues with your Colgate, this is also on the coupons.com app. Unfortunately, if you are using a digital coupon, you can't get the two back because the computer system over at the coupons.com app will track that. So just be mindful of that. But if the digital coupon does not come off, you should apply for it. Why not? But I did get my $3 back for the Garnier Fructis, so that was a good wash. Okay, so this is where I kind of messed up today. I don't know if it's like, what's that Mandela effect? You see two things and you think it's the same thing. I thought Olay was part of a deal of the week this week of buy two, get back a $4 store register reward. It's not. So it's Dove, I believe. So I made a mistake. So this is an expensive one for me. We have a 4 off of 2 digital. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to make a deal happen. But the deal wasn't so great. So it just cost me a little bit of Walgreens cash, and I guess I can cry all the way home. So this is 2 for $13, subtracting that 4 off of 2, 9 for 2, or $4.50 per pack of bar soap. You can use Walgreens cash, and this is not a deal of the week, so I messed this up. Do not do this. I just saw the bar soap, and I got excited. I have a family member who only uses this bar soap, and whenever I bring over a big, large donation, I like to have this for her. And I think I just got excited, or I just wasn't thinking very well this morning. So just do not do what I do. These little Dons, I always talk about grabbing them, and then today I finally did. So you're saving 50 cents, so they're from $1.49 to 99 cents. What I did, guys, was I grabbed 6 for $5.94, used $5 in Walgreens cash, and paid 94 cents. All these ladies on TikTok are always like the professional cleaners. They're always saying that this is like the cat's pajamas. So, yeah, it's really good for cutting grease. Honestly, anything cheap like Palmolive or whatever, I would always go for that. But this seems to be a really quality product, and I never started using it till I followed Clean Talk, and it's worth its weight in gold. If you're a newer couponer, this is definitely a deal I would do. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is, unfortunately, live super rural, and there are no Bic razors in these smaller stores. These are priced at $4.99, some of the men's razors. We have a $4 digital coupon. It'll drop it down to 99 cents. So if you want to do this as a curbside deal, we'll pursue this tomorrow. Or if you want to do this in store, scan everything, make sure that coupon's attaching, and what a great deal to get it for 99 cents. Also, with the Banana Boat Hawaiian Tropic, this deal is still going. I didn't do it because it was a little bit more out of pocket. It was just cheaper to go and dance around with the little toothpaste and the Garnier Fructis than to do this deal. But I know a lot of people who want sunscreen. This will definitely be the deal pour vous. And there's a lot of hang tags, which are coupons that are hanged by a rubber band on the product. So if you only have the $2 digital coupon, you can use one of these also, because it's buy 2 for $8, so 16, subtracting the coupons, and then you'll get back a $4 store register reward to get some really inexpensive Banana Boat. And don't forget to double, triple check your IBOTTA later in the week in case some rebate might pop up for you. Now in the clearance section, we have some baby formula, and I left that at the store for $15.49. So I'm assuming this is like 50% off. They're usually like $30. And I know there's a parent who's going to need it, and I'd like to buy it to donate it, but I also don't want to be taking this out of the store. I made a video on this yesterday. I'll link it at the very end, and a lot of you have been doing the same. And I just want to say I'm really proud of you guys for really stepping it up to help out parents. And for the moms out there that are really looking for baby formula, I would advocate that you try and work with a manager at your local store. Buying this stuff off of Facebook or somebody in the comments on a TikTok video or even here, you're not really sure who you're buying it from. And I don't want you guys to get into trouble or something like that where you pay a bunch of money and get nothing. So I would recommend to give your phone number, your information to a store manager at your local store and just level with them. Tell them that you are in dire need for X formula and that you need it, and they will have to work with you and be super, super nice. Do I have to bring you coffee and donuts to make this happen? Negotiate it that way and be so, 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 so nice. Ask when the truck arrives and if they could set one aside for you. Negotiate it. And before I skedaddle, I bought a couple local newspapers, and this was in the insert, which is like the Smart Source. No savings insert, so only this. And yes, over here you can use Walgreens cash to buy newspapers, and they're like $1.50 per, so $3 of papers. I only got 2, use $3 in Walgreens cash. And you're laughing all the way to the bank and back just to get some inexpensive inserts. And I like to have at least 2 in case there's one hot coupon that I can't live without. And the wonderful pistachio expires in August, so that'll be a great one to use. And I had my math so perfectly lined up. I didn't want to pay a lot out of pocket this morning. So the all is, I think, $3.99. We have a $1.50 coupon, dropping it down to $2.49. So I'm going to have to go for a midweek basket. I just forgot. But load this $1.50 digital, and we will be looking at some curbside deals on Monday morning for you guys. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.